At Covered 6, everything we do starts with one mission: protecting people and communities. C6 Drones was born out of that mission. We saw firsthand how powerful drones can be, not just as tools, but as force multipliers in public safety and security. And we knew agencies and organizations needed more than just equipment. They needed a partner who could guide them every step of the way. That's what makes us different. We don't just sell drones, we help create complete drone programs. And that starts with training. Our instructors provide next-level instruction designed for the most demanding environments. From patrol officers learning to integrate drones into daily operations, to specialized police units who need advanced tactics for search and rescue, SWAT operations, or critical incident response. At Covered 6, we work alongside law enforcement every day, which gives us a unique perspective on what works in the field and how to build solutions that truly make a difference. That means every recommendation we make, from drones to counter-UAS technology to integrated security systems, has been tested in real-world scenarios. And that's why we started C6 Drones. It's not just about who we are, it's about sharing what we've learned. Here you'll find training tips, technology demos, real-world exercises, and latest news in the drone space. It's a resource for anyone looking to take their drone programs to the next level. We're C6 Drones, experienced operators, trusted partners, and here to help you turn technology into capability.